everybody. Thank you for watching this video. After a long time, we are doing this video. I hope this video will be more useful for you to know more about the English new vocabulary. Before I'm going to go to the video, um, suggest you to please subscribe this channel. If your each and everyone subscription will help you us to more and it will motivate us to do more good quality videos to useful for not only for you others and your friends also. So please subscribe the channel. Let's we go for the video. Before I'm going to the words, I'm just want to tell one quotes regarding the our video. Vocabulary are helpful to express the appropriate feelings of our thoughts. Yes, every word that is every vocabulary is useful to express is helpful to express our appropriate thought. Our exact thought will be expressed when you use the current vocabulary. Okay, now we can go for the words. First word is first we will go for the word. What we're going to see is
Abstruse.
abstruse. Abstruse.
Abstruse.
Abstruse. What's mean by abstruse is difficult to understand. So if you something which is not able to understand, uh, your that time you can use this vocabulary
Abstruse.
abstruse. And in Tamil we can எளிதில் புரிந்து கொள்ள முடியாது.
எளிதில் புரிந்து கொள்ள முடியாத.
Okay, so when something which is not usually to understand, it's difficult to understand something, that time we can use
Abstruse.
abstruse. Abstruse.
Abstruse.
Abstruse. So second vocabulary we are going to see is, so each and everything is more important. So be carefully and practice in your daily communication. That will be very useful for you to remember this vocabularies. Okay, now next one is
Abut.
about.
Abut.
About it's a meaning is touch or lean on. So some things which you want to be touch or text to and have common boundary with. You can tell the situations like the sharing the border between the two countries. So see the garden abutting a great Bristol street. So Mansuri may crumb where the roof about it. So in Tamil we can say
இத்தியாதி.
idyadi. So
Abut.
about it's nothing but எல்லை கோல் எல்லையோடு எல்லை சார்ந்திருந்து. So with the line of the border we can say. So is next vocabulary is
Abdicate.
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 Abdicate. Renown one's throne. That is someone who resign their position. That is
Abdicate.
abdicate. That abdicate in Tamil we can say, sorry, abdicate.
ராஜினாமா.
So abdicate is it's a thing who resign the position. If you resign, if someone was resign the position, that we can call as
Abdicate.
abdicate. So now we can see the next Next vocabulary words.
Exceed.
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 Exceed. The agree to demand or request or treaty. So you are agreeing something demand. I can see the word for this. The authority does not agree to the striker demands. So he is not
Exceed.
accede.
Exceed.
In Tamil we can say
இணைவதற்கு.
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 So accede is
Accede.
it's a vocabulary which is used to agreed actually. That is what we are seeing here. Agreed to the demand. So next vocabulary is that will be
Accentuate. Accentuate.
accentuate. Accentuate. Make more noticeable or prominent. So accentuate is make more noticeable. Something which you are noticing, something you are noticing your actions actually. Notifications like notifications the you can see the sentence for this. As jacket unfortunately accentuated as punch.
Accentuate.
Accentuate. So in Tamil we can say
கொடு.
give. Kodu means we can give good. So next we are going. Next word is even it's a small word. It's very important word. Important to use in daily words.
Abhor. Abhor.
Abhor.
Abhor.
Abhor is regarding with disgust and hated. He abhorred sexism in every form. You can see the sentence for this.
Abhor.
Abhor is something which we hated actually. In Tamil also we can
வெறுப்புக்கோள்.
வெறுப்புக்கோள் which
Abhor.
we are hating. Abhor. Habit. Habit.
Abet.
Abet is something which you are being with someone some wrong thing. Encouraging or asset someone to do something wrong in particularly committing a crime. We are if someone was standing to do some wrong thing means that person will call abet. That action becomes
Abet.
abet. So if you are assisting or some if you making someone to do some wrong thing in particularly for criminal, that is called abet. So in Tamil you can say
உடந்தையாக இருத்தல்.
உடந்தையாக இருத்தல். So next vocabulary is
Abide.
what's mean by abide. Abide
Abide.
it's a accept or act in accordance with. So accept some things we are accepting actually. You can see the words. I said I could abide by their decision. I'm accepting.
Abide.
Abide is just the accepting. In Tamil we can say
என்றென்றும்.
endendrum. Endendrum. So next word is seeing this also it's important.
Accessory.
Accessory. Accessory, the things which can be added to something else in order to make it more usable, versatile or attractive. So some things which is attractive. You can see the optional accessories include the battery charges and shoulder trip strap. So this is
Accessory.
accessory. In Tamil we can say tunai.
துணை.
So last word which we are going to see today is more important.
A climate. A climate.
Acclimate. Acclimate is nothing but response physiological or behaving to change behaviorally to change in single environment factor. So someone which is usually practicing with the same environment think for the behaving behaviorally to change a single environment factor, who is practically practicing on doing in same environment, who is doing with the same activities for the same environment, that is that thing will
A
call as
climate.
acclimate. That acclimate is nothing but who is doing surrounding himself to doing the same practice, the same things to be in same practicing or doing the same environment. That is
A
that person,
climate.
that thing will come as the acclimate.
A climate.
In Tamil we can see palagi. So just we are just added to this one a single action, that is called acclimate. So hope that today you people are understood some new words which will be very useful to use in your daily use using communication. I request you to use all the words in your daily communication, so that it will be very useful for you to understand, and you will be remaining vocabularies of these new words, that will make you to feel and help us to put a appropriate and meaning what you're trying to convey to other person. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you once again, and once again I request you to all of them to please subscribe this channel and support us. Thank you so much. Bye.